In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Monday.com for agency client management. To begin, open Monday.com and go to your client management board. This is the central place where you track every client and where they are in your process. Once you are on the correct board, click into Client Management, so you are viewing the main table. If you see the Client Management option more than once in the navigation, select it again to confirm you are inside the right workspace and board view. Now that you are looking at the client list, take a moment to notice the columns that help you manage accounts at a glance. First, click on the Highlight option. Highlight is useful when you want to visually call attention to certain clients, such as priority accounts or clients that need follow-up. Using Highlight consistently helps your team spot what matters without having to open every item. Next, click on the Recruiter column. In an agency workflow, this is typically where you assign the owner of that client relationship. Keeping this updated reduces confusion and makes handoffs cleaner, because everyone can see who is responsible for communication and next actions. After that, click on Date Added. This field gives you quick context on how long a client has been in your system. It is especially helpful for tracking aging leads, monitoring onboarding timelines, and reporting on how quickly clients move from first contact to active delivery. Then click on Role. Role helps define the type of engagement or who the main contact is on the client side. Clear roles improve messaging, reduce misalignment, and keep your internal team on the same page about who is involved and what they handle. Now shift your attention to the status labels used to track client stage. Click on Lead to represent early-stage clients that are not yet fully onboarded. Click on Onboarding for clients who have agreed to work with you and are currently being set up. Click on Active for clients who are in ongoing delivery. Finally, click on Done for clients whose work is completed or whose engagement has ended. Using these stages consistently makes it easy to sort your board, focus on the right workload, and keep your pipeline accurate. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.